Class 9, Chapter 9 Circles in that exercise 9.1. It has two sums. If you are interested to discuss the solution of these two sums, you can please check out this video which I am tagging it here right now, which is a video part of the older edition book. In the older edition, the same exercise has been discussed under Chapter 10 as exercise 10.2. So here exercise 9.1 of the new edition is equal to exercise 10.2 of the older edition. So kindly check out the video that has been tagged here, or you can even check it from the playlist or in the description, as both the exercise are same. Also, we have already discussed the solution, so please refer to that video. Thank you.